Today we're 3D printing a working ratchet screwdriver. And the amazing thing here is this requires no assembly as it is print in place. So it's essentially one object that you print out, but then it actually has a working mechanical mechanism. And the files here are free to download. They're made by Orman 3D Vibes, and they've done an amazing job designing this. Now, if you download the STL files like I did, you'll notice there's two of them, and you'll have to go ahead and center both of these so that they're printing as one single piece. Otherwise, if you print them as separate pieces, they will not be able to go together. And then once you've printed it, you'll notice there's some good design on it. So there's arrows, they go in the same direction on both sides, but flipping it up means those arrows are opposite directions. So one for tightening, one for loosening. And then on each end, you have a hole that is compatible with your standard screwdriver bits. And as a result, you can now turn this into a screwdriver. You can also install magnets. There's actually holes down there to install magnets that will hold your pieces in place too, which is great. And I think it has the most satisfying noises ever. Now, as an actual practical screwdriver, if you are really trying to tighten something up or really loosen something that's already tight, this kind of, I'm printing with PLA here, it's not the best filament for that job. It will end up breaking. And the other thing is here, when printing it, you do have a seize up. So once you take it off the bed, you're most likely going to have to, the way I did it, is I put a bit in each side and then I clamped each bit and then I grabbed the central bit and twisted it until it started to move. Because taking this off the bed initially, it was quite seized up and it was a bit of a pain to get it unseized. However, this thing is incredibly cool and really it just is awesome. And if you were to print this in a much more durable filament, I could see it being maybe quite practical. And then honestly, if you could actually make some like 3D printed simple bits for it that you could install, this would make a really good kid's toy as well. So this thing is just well made, well designed, prints beautifully. Like I say, you do have to use force to unseize it, but once you do, it's really incredible.